welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Well, today what we're gonna do, we're gonna make you a nice lovely healthy drink, which is tomato or plum tomato, whatever you want to do, whatever you want to call it, but this is a healthy drink. All right, basically, first of all, what we're gonna do, we're gonna simply put some plum tomato straight inside of my smoothie blender like this, roughly about 12 of them. We've got a big size one which we're gonna just put inside of it. A little bit of water, not too much, just to free up the blender. So we're gonna blend this roughly about 3 seconds, the least. Nice and lovely. Just finished blending, and I want you guys to see exactly what we all about when we said blend some tomato. Ah, that's smelling really nice. So that's the way it look, guys. Rich, lovely and nice, and all you have to do is just drink it just as it is right inside of the glass. So hopefully guys you like the recipe, subscribe to the channel and leave your comments, and thank you so much for watching the cooking show. We got a lot more recipe like this coming out for you, and this is a healthy tomato juice drink. As you can see, nothing, just a little bit of water and just blend it. You can drink it just as it is. Really healthy and good for you. And I want to say it's 100% tomato. Enjoy it and see you next time. Bye bye.